Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Guess what?
CHRISTIANA, the daughter, checking in.
Welcome to the project. In this project, we're going to do some experiment and we're going to engrave on some candy.
We have airheads, annihilators,
and starbursts. Which candy should we do first?
We should do starbursts.
So I think we're going to do these starbursts right here first. Let's grab the starbursts. Put them on the other side so it'll be flat. Yeah, okay.
First of all,
Slow.
it's because I don't rush. All on one napkin?
Yeah, you can put it on one napkin. Super slow. They open it up, the darn starbursts. It's only two of them. We're going to do one of every color. Struggling.
There we go.
Finally. This is what we're going to put on these starbursts right here. We just got some smiley faces that we got off a Glowforge print. And the settings that I went with is 1000 speed and 80% power. Right now, which one is your favorite?
The red one.
I'm about to go with the red one too. What candy should we do next?
Airhead.
Yeah, there they go. You can't really see it on camera maybe like that, but you definitely can see it in person. It's a little bit better. It didn't do good as the Starburst did. Okay, last but not least, we have the annihilators. One of them has like a 2 color, so hopefully when we engrave on it, that color that's in the inside will show up. Who knows? And these right here is just some solid colors right here. So, you ready to test it out?
Yeah.
Before we move on to the annihilators, I forgot to mention, the blue one was supposed to say Troy the Maker. The red one's supposed to say Christiana. And the green one's supposed to say Mallory. And the white one was supposed to say Family. Okay, we got the annihilators. We got a basketball, a star, a shoe, a money sign, and a light bulb. We use the same exact settings, 1000 speed, 80% power. There it is. That is everything that we engraved on today. Pretty cool. I must say my favorite probably is gonna be the shoe starburst. The shoe annihilator. What about you, Christian? Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is the red starburst.
It is pretty cool. It is pretty cool. It turned out really good. And there you have it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a
thumbs up.
And if you haven't already, make sure you
subscribe.
And I'll see you in the next project. I gotta finish eating the rest of this candy.